Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here, and I'm back with another Players Pack opening. And let's get this thing underway, shall we? So this is on a backup that I just sent coins to. So alright, so here we go. Hopefully I make my coins back because I did on the other one. I did on the other one. I think. I don't know. Ooh, update. Oh wait, this is on a backup. Frig. Everything's an update team. MetLife, Adam Jones. Adam Jones might actually go for some. Frig. Ooh, Vince Wilfork. Dang. I don't think we got anything else out of that. Let's just go check, because if you click on the middle card, it clicks the bottom, that's at the bottom right, whether it be reveal all, that's why that one revealed all, or continue like it did there. So let's see what else we got once this freaking loads. Okay. Dwayne Allen, Dontrell Inman. I'll probably just sell these guys and then throw the coins into my main. Oh, I clicked sets again. So view items. Vince Wilfork, 93 overall. Football Outsiders. I said that weird. Football Outsiders. So I'm just going to check the auctions for it real quick. See if I made back my coins on that pack. Which I think I did, if that's anywhere even near like 50k. So Wilfork, I believe it is a 93. That should be good. Yeah. I nearly made back the coins for both of them. So pretty much as long as this pack has at least 10k coins in it, which shouldn't be hard for 12 gold or better players, and a holiday item, I'm pretty sure I made back my coins here. Which, that's nice. That's real nice. So let's just get this going here. Just need 10k. That's all. But I would love, obviously, something more than that. Okay, M&T Bank. I don't want to click on that middle item there. Jadeveon Clowney, Kobe Fleener, Morris Claiborne, Emmanuel Sanders, Manti Te'o, Chris Ivory, Mike Pollock, oh god, Annie Lawson, and Michael Bennett. Clutch at the end there. I didn't think I was going to get anything. Alright, so that was a clutch pull. So we made coins from that, so let's just open some pro packs. With the rest of the coins, 3 I guess I'll have enough for. Bruce Carter. I'll be doing or only 2. I thought I had enough for 3. That's weird, I thought I had enough for 3. Did I only have 20k? I don't know, I'm going crazy. But I'll be doing a large quick sell. Actually, I'll do that right now. So this is going to be the Players Pack opening and a large quick sell, since this is pretty short. And maybe I'll pull a milli for you guys. 1 mil, that'd be great right now, right on video. That would be of epic proportions. Let's see if we even get enough gold and stuff for it, because I don't think I have any trophies on this pack. Alright. Wow. Couple of elites that I can sell for 10k each. So I just made my money back off the pro packs already. Okay. That was crappy. Well, I mean, not crappy, but crappy for what we're trying to do. Just trying to get, I'm gonna sell that Owen Daniels instead. or not sell, but put it in the set instead of Jadeveon Clowney. Alright, so come on. War has been declared. If you guys want to see, like, war videos, like what happens in our wars, comment down below, and I'll make those. But yeah, today has just been a video making day, and I think I have enough for the large clicks on now. Okay, enough golds and hardly enough silvers. Barely. Okay. $10K. So not bad. So I honestly don't know how much people would pay for that clip Averill. So let's just look at it here real quick. Oh, okay, I'm going crazy. It's a Michael Bennett. 88 Michael Bennett. I don't know how much people would pay for that. I think there's an elite way to the playoffs clip Averill too. I don't know, maybe I'm just going insane. But yeah, we're gonna check how much he goes for. But overall, we made profit. So let's say that Wolfwork sells for 130K plus, let's just say 80K, but that's a little low, I think. 30K, that's a good snipe. Yeah, let's just say 80K. So 210K plus that 10K plus all those golds. I would say I made about, since I spent 15K, 155K on all the packs, 200, I'd say about 70K made off this, maybe, up to 70K made off this. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I'll take that any day I'm opening packs, because, you know, you just don't know what you're gonna get. But that was a pretty sweet clutch pull at the end there. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and keep on coming back for more.